Guys, hello and welcome to the House of Crypto, the best place to come to for the most up-to-date and realistic news on Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as other altcoins. Guys, I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I want you to hit the like and subscribe and comment button to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in the markets. Guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway this week for a bit of Ethereum to say thank you for my subscribers. So guys, if you want to subscribe to be in with the chance of winning some Ethereum, that would be really great. Guys, so without further ado, let's get into the chart. So we were looking yesterday at Ethereum and saying that it would be looking likely that we're going to be coming up to test this top line here. And as you noticed this morning, or yesterday evening, depending on whatever time zone you're in, we saw Ethereum come up and put in a new all-time high. Now, guys, obviously really exciting news. When we see all-time highs, I'll show you a buy. So it's always, always a very positive move when we're putting in bigger highs. We talked yesterday about why that might be happening with a number of big whales buying into the markets, as well as a 15-month low of Ethereum being available on platforms. So as we dive in a bit closer, I've put in, it looks a bit crazy, all these sort of trend lines here, but this is just a few lines I've sort of been seeing and paying attention to of lines of support and resistance, and these are worth paying attention to see where we could be moving within this channel pattern. So I've identified, if you want to know what a rising channel pattern looks like, so here's two different scenarios where we come in and we have this sort of top channel and lower channel coming in lower, and then this one is breaking out to the upside, and then this one obviously breaking out to the lower side. Okay, so what does that mean for us? Obviously we need to be aware of different scenarios and how each one might play out, and to just monitor that as it goes. So at the moment we've just come up and we push back down. This is on the 4-hour chart. Push back down towards this pink line and this second line of support here. So it's good. We had this previous line of resistance which we flipped, turned into support. So if we can hold above here, then I'll see. I think I can see us coming back up to test this line, putting in again another higher high. Looking, obviously, it's going to be above $1,500 to test this line. If it gets and breaks through and comes back down to retest, then we're going to be looking extremely bullish. Obviously, it could come back up, could break through, and could come back down to retest this yellow line again. If the yellow line holds, then we're going to see it pushed back to the upside. However, remember, we can happen both ways. In this situation, it's broken to the downside before coming back up, retesting and pushing back down. But putting in new all-time highs and pushing to the upside, that's a really good, exciting thing to be happening at the moment. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about is DeFi users. So DeFi is obviously all the different platforms. In fact, let's come over just a bit of a decentralized finance. So guys, if you're not aware, obviously I'm sure a lot of you are, but those who don't know what DeFi stands for, it's decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. It's an of financial smart contracts, decentralized applications, and protocols built on Ethereum. Financial dApps are the hottest use case of Ethereum at the given moment. So guys, all of these altcoins that are using the Ethereum network at the moment, as you can see, are at an all-time high. So guys, there's 1.3 million users on the Ethereum network. Last time we came up to all-time highs, the number of users was super low. So this is another reason. Although many people are just looking at Ethereum as somewhere to put money and store it to save, many people are actually using these applications. They actually have much more uses available to them than things like Bitcoin, which obviously Bitcoins are kind of our stable, not stable so much, but are solid, like a store of value, like gold, whatever. But these, like Ethereum, is digital oil. It's got a use. Okay, so obviously it holds value, but can also build in value and can be used to do other things, which is really exciting. So guys, why I'm kind of like thinking towards the $2,500–3,000 mark, guys, when we saw Bitcoin break its all-time high, and Ethereum is following a very similar pattern to Bitcoin. When Ethereum hit its all-time high, when Bitcoin hit its all-time high back in December, we saw that price double pretty quickly within the space of 1 to 2 weeks, and that hit around 20,000, went to around 40,000, and we're going to hit an all-time high here. We've hit around 1,400. It's going to be hitting around number 1,500. Guys, within weeks, we could be looking at $2,000–3,000. Okay, obviously not financial advice, disclaimer. Go away and do your own research. This is the way I see it. This is the way I'm going to be handling my investments, and always pay attention to what you're reading and what you're hearing. There's a lot of hype about. There's a lot of scaremongering to get people to dump the price. Okay, market manipulation going on. So be careful, guys. Never put in more money than you can afford to lose, and pay attention to what's going on. So yeah, what are we looking at in terms of buying opportunities? So guys, many people are telling you this is the last chance to buy, but before it's going to dip. The last chance to buy before $3,000. Whether that's true or not might be true. It's not gonna turn into $3,000 overnight, but it could happen very quickly. We saw that with Bitcoin in the last month. If we come up and retest here, and get a rejection, then we could be getting pushed back down, and we could have another opportunity to get in at around 1,100. If it comes $1,100, somewhere around here, guys. So that would be a really good opportunity to buy. We'd be looking for this to come down. Ideally, maybe put in a test here. It could wick below, but as long as we're getting like a 4-hourly or a daily close above here, then that would be a really good opportunity for us to buy and push to the upside. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Really appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to be in with a chance of winning that Ethereum giveaway that I'm going to be doing at the end of the week. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with what I'm saying? Have you got other ideas? Is there any other altcoins or things that you are really interested in at the moment that you would like me to investigate and talk about? Then please put that down below. But anyway, guys, thanks very much. Hope you have a nice evening and see you very soon. Bye-bye.